What's up, guys? It's Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today, I'm going to be covering the new version 3.0 of Genius Messenger CRM. So December 2020 updates. Let's show you what we got going on. So a couple things. This has been probably our biggest update so far, and there will be a few more coming shortly. Things that we didn't quite get added, but this update is pretty awesome. So instead of having to expand Messenger, now your tags are actually available right here in the sidebar here. So you can select your drop down from this list and change your tag for your sales pipeline right from this initial sidebar. Previously, you had to expand to Messenger to do this, which you can still do that, but it's a little more efficient that way. Also, all your labels are the same here, and you'll notice if you haven't yet updated, you can download a migration file. So it might prompt you to do this if you haven't yet upgraded to version 3. And then once you've done that, you'll want to log out and log in of your extension and use this migrate button. Find that migration file and import that. And that's going to bring all your labels and your messages into the new version 3. So everything else on this panel is pretty much the same. But if we expand it again, if we go into messages here, there's a couple changes here. So you can kind of see we're on the friends list. There's an extra couple buttons here. We have an import template and export template. So we got the functionality built in to now create templates for our messages, and eventually labels are going to be able to be templated too. But right now we can export all of our messaging as a template and then import it into a fresh account so someone can start with all that message, all those message templates set up in there, which is pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited to have the labels as templates as well. So just for ease of use, I can have my future customers kind of import a done for you sales pipeline with some messaging already ready to go for them, and they can kind of improve and tweak it for their needs from that point. So super excited for that version 3. We also have cross-device syncing now. So instead of storing your data locally on your browser, which kind of slowed the extension down a little bit, it's stored on a server now. So when you migrate your file, that's basically what you're doing. You're downloading your data from your browser, and then when you migrate it, it's going to a server. So now you can access all your labels, responses, notes, and all of that from any device as long as you're logged in. So you can work on your desktop computer and then follow up later on your laptop or whatever you want to do. So that's pretty amazing. And then if we go back to the friends list, you'll notice another new feature is there's a little settings button here on all your friends. And if you click that, we have an email and phone number capture. So you've probably seen, if you've exported a CSV file, that that data is available on that export. So eventually we're going to be able to capture this right from a message and populate these fields. And then you can export all that data. And from there, you can fire automations. You can fire an email, text message, an outbound call, an IVR using Chirply and stuff like that. So that's going to be awesome. So hopefully you guys are getting migrated okay. If you have any problems, let me know. Or if you want to try Genius Messenger CRM, let me know that as well. Pricing is probably going to increase as soon as we get some feedback from everybody about this new version 3. So as you know, we have a partner program, and we're still looking for limited partners. The founding partner spots are filled, but if you're looking to join us in this partnership and kind of help build this software out and promote it to your followers, drop a comment below, and I'll show you. We have a deal through the end of the year where you can actually get 300 partner accounts to resell and keep 100% of the revenue for just $397 per month. So that's only good through December 31st, 2020. But if that sounds like a fit for you, just drop a comment below, or I'll put a link that you can fill out some information, and I'll get in contact with you that way. So hopefully you guys enjoy the new version 3.0, and we have a lot more coming in 2021. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell, and I'll see you on the next video.